Vultures, nature's cleanup crew. These majestic birds, often misunderstood and underappreciated, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. By feeding on dead animals, they prevent the spread of diseases and recycle nutrients back into the environment. Their presence is a testament to the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. But what happens when they disappear? The answer is startling and far-reaching. The absence of vultures can lead to a cascade of ecological and health crises that affect not just wildlife, but human populations as well. The disappearance of these birds is not just a loss for nature, it's a loss for humanity. In India, the decline of vultures due to the cattle drug, diclofenac, has caused a chain reaction of devastation. Diclofenac, a painkiller used to treat livestock, proved to be lethal to vultures that fed on the carcasses of treated animals. This led to a dramatic drop in vulture populations, with some species experiencing a decline of over 99% in just a few decades. With vultures unable to consume decaying carcasses, harmful bacteria and diseases spread unchecked. Carcasses that would have been quickly disposed of by vultures now linger, becoming breeding grounds for pathogens. This has led to an increase in diseases such as anthrax and botulism, which can have devastating effects on both animal and human health. The result? An estimated 500,000 human deaths over 5 years. But that's not all. The health crisis extends beyond immediate fatalities. Hospitals and healthcare systems become overwhelmed, struggling to cope with the surge in disease cases. Families are torn apart, communities are left in mourning, and the social fabric is strained. The rise in feral dog populations, less efficient at consuming carcasses, led to contaminated water sources and a surge in rabies cases. Without vultures to keep carcass numbers in check, feral dogs and other scavengers move in to fill the void. However, these animals are not as effective at cleaning up, leading to increased contamination of water sources and a spike in rabies, a deadly disease that claims thousands of lives each year. The economic impact? A staggering $69 billion per year in mortality damages. The financial burden of increased healthcare costs, loss of productivity, and the need for disease control measures adds up quickly. Public health officials are faced with the daunting task of managing these crises, diverting resources from other essential services. Communities suffer as economic stability is undermined, and the ripple effects are felt across the nation. This crisis highlights the critical role vultures play in our ecosystem. They are not just scavengers, they are vital components of a healthy environment. Their ability to efficiently dispose of carcasses helps to control disease outbreaks and maintain ecological balance. Conservation efforts are now more important than ever to protect these indispensable birds and the services they provide. They're not just scavengers, they're protectors of human health. By preventing the spread of diseases, vultures indirectly safeguard human populations. Their role in the ecosystem is a form of natural disease control, reducing the need for human intervention and medical treatments. This symbiotic relationship between vultures and humans underscores the importance of preserving these birds for the benefit of all. The interconnectedness of species is delicate, and the decline of one can ripple through the entire ecosystem. Every species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a part in the larger ecological puzzle. The loss of vultures serves as a stark reminder of how interconnected our world is, and how the decline of one species can have far-reaching consequences for many others. It's a stark reminder of the importance of responsible chemical use and the protection of keystone species like vultures. The use of harmful chemicals in agriculture and livestock management must be carefully regulated to prevent unintended consequences. Conservationists are working tirelessly to raise awareness and implement measures to protect vultures and other keystone species that are crucial for ecosystem health. To prevent future ecological disasters, we must act now. This means supporting conservation initiatives, advocating for responsible chemical use, and participating in community efforts to protect our environment. Every action counts, and together we can make a difference. By working to preserve the natural world, we ensure a healthier, more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Thank you for watching, and remember, every species matters. The story of the vultures is a powerful example of how interconnected our world is and how the loss of one species can impact us all. By valuing and protecting biodiversity, we honor the intricate web of life that sustains us. Let's continue to learn, advocate, and take action to preserve the incredible diversity of life on our planet.